नमस्कार, मैं अरुण कुमार उपस्थित हूँ आपके सामने एक नया विषय यूजीसी नेट का लेकर। हमारा आज का विषय रहेगा लॉ यानी कानून, जिसका कोड संख्या है 58। सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं यूनिट 1 ज्यूरिप्रूडेंस। इसके अंदर किस किस चीज़ का अध्ययन करते हैं हम? नेचर एंड सोर्स ऑफ लॉ, स्कूल ऑफ ज्यूरिप्रूडेंस, लॉ एंड मॉरलिटी, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ राइट एंड ड्यूटीज, लीगल पर्सनैलिटी, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी ओनरशिप एंड पोजेशन, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लाइबिलिटी, law, poverty and development, global justice, modernism and postmodernism, constitutional and administrative law, जिसके अंदर हम पढ़ते हैं प्रिम्बल, फंडामेंटल राइट्स एंड ड्यूटीज, डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी, यूनियन एंड स्टेट एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड देयर इंटर रिलेशनशिप, यूनियन एंड स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव पावर्स, जुडिशरी, emergency powers, temporary, transactional and special provision in respect of certain states, election commission of India, nature, scope and importance of administrative law, principle and natural justice, judicial review of administrative action and actions grounds, public international law and IHL, international law definition, nature and basis, source of international law, recognition of state and government, recognition of state and governments, international nationality, immigration, refugees and internally displaced person, IDPS, extradition and asylum, United Nations and its organs, settlement of international disputes, WHO, World Trade Organization, international humanitarian law, IHL, conventions and protocol, implementation of IHL and challenges, law of crimes, unit 4, general principle of criminal liability, actus reus and manus rea, individual and ground liability and constructive liability, stage of crime and inchoate crimes, abatement, criminal conspiracy and attempt, general exceptions, offense against human body, offenses against state and terrorism, offense against property, offenses against women and children, drug trafficking and counterfeiting, offenses against public tranquility, theory and kind of punishments, compensation to the victim of crime, law of torts and consumer protection, nature and definition of torts, general principle of tortious liabilities, general defenses, specific torts, negligence, nuisance, trespass, defamation, remoteness of damage, strict and absolute liability, tortious liability of the state, Consumer Protection Act 1986, definitions, consumer rights and redressal mechanism, Motor Vehicle Act 1988, no fault liability, third party insurance and claims tribunal, Competition Act 2002, prohibition of certain agreements, abuse of dominant position and regulation of combinations. Unit 6, commercial law, essential element of contract and e-contracts, breach of contract, frustration of contract, void and voidable agreements, standard form of contract and quasi-contract, special contracts, bailment, pledge, indemnity, guarantee and agency, Sales of Goods Act 1930, partnership and limited liability partnership, Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, company law, incorporation of company, prosecutions, shares and debentures, company law, directory and meetings, corporate social responsibility. Unit 7, family law, source and schools, marriage and dissolution of marriage, matrimonial remedies, divorce and theories of divorce, changing dimensions of institution of marriage, live-in relationship, recognition of foreign decrees in India on marriage and divorce, maintenance, dower and stridhan, adoption, guardianships and acknowledgement, succession and inheritance, will, gift, waqf, uniform civil code. Unit 8, environment and human right law, meaning and concept of environment, environmental pollution, international environment law and UN conferences, constitutional and legal framework for protection of environment in India, environmental impact assessment and control of hazardous waste in India, National Green Tribunal, concepts and development of human rights, universalism and cultural relativism, International Bill of Rights, group rights, women, children, person with disabilities, elder person, minorities, weaker sections, protection and enforcement of human right in India, National Human Right Commission, National Commission for Minorities, National Commission for Women, National Commission for Scheduled Castes, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, and National Commission for Backward Classes. Unit 9, Intellectual Property Rights and Information Technology Law, concept and meaning of intellectual property, theory of intellectual property, international conventions pertaining to intellectual properties, copyright and neighboring rights, subject matters, limitations and exceptions, infringements and remedies, law of patent, patentability, procedure for grant of patent, limitations and exceptions, infringement and remedies, law of trademark, registration of trademarks, kinds of trademarks, infringement and passing of remedies, protection of geographical indications, biodiversity and traditional knowledge, information technology, law, digital signature and electronic signature, electronic governance, electronic records and duties of subscribers, cyber crimes, penalties, adjudications. Unit 10, Comparative Public Law and System of Governance, comparative law, relevance, methodology, problems and concern in comparison, forms of government, presidential and parliamentary, unitary and federal, model of federalism, USA, Canada and India, rules of law, formal as substantive version, separation of powers, India, UK, USA, France, independence of judiciary, activism, accountability, India and UK and USA, system of constitutional review, India, USA, Switzerland and France, amendment of constitution, India, USA, South Africa, ombudsman, Sweden, UK and India, open government and right to information, US, UK and India. तो हम इसके अंदर लॉ के अंदर ये चीज़ पढ़ते हैं कि एक इंसान को लॉ के अंदर कानून की क्या क्या जानकारी होनी चाहिए। जो भी विद्यार्थी जो लॉ को पढ़ाएगा नेट करने के बाद किसी कॉलेज या यूनिवर्सिटी में, तो उसको तो ये चीज़ की ज़रूरत है ही है, इसके साथ उस व्यक्ति को भी ज़रूरत है कि हम लॉ के बारे में क्या क्या जानकारी प्राप्त करें। इसके अलावा एक दूसरी वीडियो और हम इसके साथ डालेंगे क्रिमिनोलॉजी की, उसको भी आपकी जानकारी होनी चाहिए कि ये दो कॉम्बिनेशन सब्जेक्ट आपको साथ पढ़ने, और ये दो रूपों में नॉलेज होती है, एक आपकी जनरल नॉलेज के रूप में और एक स्पेसिफिक। तो जनरल नॉलेज में सभी व्यक्तियों को इस चीज़ की जानकारी होनी चाहिए, और जो सामान्य जनरल और स्पेसिफिक, जनरल स्पेसिफिक का अर्थ है कि सबको होना, और स्पेसिफिक का उस खास व्यक्ति को जो उसको पढ़ाएगा उसको डिटेल चाहिए, पता होनी चाहिए। तो इस तरह से हम इस विषय को पढ़ते हैं। तो हम इस विषय को आगे और डिस्कस करेंगे क्रिमिनोलॉजी के अंदर। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।